How to use OBS for screen recording. Open up Chrome and search OBS download. Select the official site. Select the download installer. Once download done, select the folder icon. Double click on the installer and select yes. Select next, install. Once installation done, select finish. Once the OBS opens up, you need to select optimize just for recording Apple not streaming and then select next. Select use current monitor and select the refresh rate you want to record and select next. And once this done, select apply settings option and the OBS opens up. If you want to edit the audio device, click on the drop down and select properties device. You can change the microphone device and same thing for desktop audio. If you want to mute the desktop audio, then select the mute option to mute the desktop audio. You can mute the mic as well. To add the screen to a OBS, you need to right click on source and select add source and select display capture and select display capture new and select OK. Capture method automatic display, set this to your monitor and click on OK. And now we are ready to use this. If you want to mute the desktop audio, then just mute this. For tutorial videos, your audio is needed, so I'm keeping it. Select start recording and recording has start 1 2 3. And if you want to pause it, use this pause recording. If you want to stop, select stop recording and it will save in default location. Go to settings and go to output, navigate to this path, videos. Here you can able to see the recorded videos. That's how simple it is. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.